Hello student, today you will study civics chapter 2 and this video is for class 8. Student, name of the chapter is understanding secularism. Student, and today I am taking two topic, that is what is secularism and second topic, why it is important to separate religion from the state. So student, the meaning of secularism means dharm nirpeksh. I will tell you in detail. And the second, the meaning of this कि धर्म का राज्य से अलग होना क्यों महत्वपूर्ण है, आज हम लोग सेकुलरिज्म के अंतर्गत समझेंगे. स्टूडेंट, लेट मी टेल यू दिस वीडियो इज पार्ट 1. रेस्ट टॉपिक आई विल कवर इन माय नेक्स्ट video. I will request student to please listen what I explain. So student, first remember India is a secular state. Student, let me tell you a simple example by the word discrimination. Here the meaning of discrimination means people are not being treated equally on the basis of religion. Student, means you will people are not getting chance to do their activity in a equal manner. That will be called discrimination. So let me tell you, if the discrimination will happen, you will not feel good. For example, student, there is one example that non-Muslims, you know what non-Muslims means, except Muslim religion, non-Muslims are not allowed to build temples and churches in Saudi Arabia. So in Saudi Arabia, non-Muslims means other religion except Muslim, they are not allowed to build temples, means मंदिर बनाने के लिए और चर्च बनाने के लिए उनको सऊदी अरब में अलाउ नहीं है. So student, they will not feel good, they will feel discriminated. So this is the meaning of discrimination. Now let us understand, student, what is secularism. Okay student, so secularism means separation of religion from state. Student, separation means अलग होना, यानी धर्म का राज्य से अलग होना. स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पर राज्य का मतलब सरकार भी हो सकता है. सेकुलरिज्म का ये मतलब है, द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेकुलरिज्म मीन्स सेपरेशन ऑफ रिलीजन फ्रॉम स्टेट. सेकुलरिज्म मीन्स ऑल्सो दैट स्टेट हैज नो इट्स रिलीजन. यानी स्टूडेंट, ये बात को ध्यान रखना है, इस बात को ध्यान रखना है, सेकुलरिज्म का मतलब होता है कि राज्य का अपना कोई धर्म नहीं होता है. यानी फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टूडेंट, इंडिया एक सेकुलर स्टेट है, मैंने पहले ही आपको बताया है, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. सो इंडिया हैज़ नो इट्स ओन रिलीजन एंड इन द मैटर ऑफ रिलीजन स्टेट विल बी न्यूट्रल. मीन्स स्टूडेंट, हियर यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑल्सो दैट सी in India there are many religions like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Jain, Parsi, these are the religion. So in the matter of the religion, government will not take the side of any religion. It will not discourage any religion or encourage any religion. It will be quiet, it will not say anything. So these are the meaning of secularism, student. Okay student, so I hope student you have understood the meaning of secularism. But student, now let us understand I hope you will be also thinking that why it is important to separate religion from state. So student, here now I am taking my second topic. So you have to understand this, that why it is important to separate religion from state, यानी धर्म को राज्य से अलग होना क्यों जरूरी है। या इसके पहले मैंने आपको बताया है कि गवर्नमेंट और स्टेट will be neutral in the matter of religion. So you will be questioning that why, what is the logic behind it, why it is important to keep religion separate from the government or state. So the basic logic behind it, student, you have to understand that for the freedom of religion of individual. This is the reason. See student, in the Constitution of India, it has been given that freedom of religion. Freedom of religion means a person who belongs to any religion, he has freedom of religion. Means this is the fundamental right also, student, you have to understand that. That's why that no state or no any government will interfere in the matter of the religion of the individual. So that is why it is important to separate religion. Now second point, separate power of religion means power of religion and the power of state. So these two powers will be separated. They will work separately so that there will be no any clash or fight or struggle, so that our government will run smoothly. So this is important. That's why it is important to keep the religion and state separate. Next student, remember this, it is also important to protect the rights of minority from majority. Here you have to understand, student, what do you mean by minority and what do you mean by majority. Student, minority means the number of people in a country based on religion or based on language. So you know the Hindu is the majority, means the people are in large number of Hindu in India, and just less than Hindu there are other minority like Muslim, like Sikh, like Parsi. So they will be called minority, and the number, if the number will be the highest of any religion in any country, that religion will be known as majority. So here in India, you know, the Hindu is in majority, rest of the religion is in minority. So student, here you have to understood the story. If there will be no religion separate from the state, then if it happens, suppose if it happens that if the government or state is taking the side of any religion, then the other minority or other religion will face discrimination. So this will be not good for the benefit of the democracy also, and for the benefit of the people, and for the development of the people also. And you know, it is also very important to separate religion from the state to save from the tyranny. Tyranny means, you know, that from the exploitation of the majority, to save minority. So I hope student you have understood this two topic. What I explained, I explained you the meaning of discrimination. Then what is secularism? I told you the secularism means separation of religion from the state, and I have already told you that state has no its religion and state will be neutral, means state will not take any side of any religion. Then second topic I told you that why it is important to separate religion from the state. Then I told you this is the following logics, that for the freedom of of the religion of individual, that anybody is have the right to the freedom of religion, and to protect from the rights of the minority from majority, so that majority will not you can say that take the rights of minority, or snatch the rights of minority. So these are the basic reason, student. In the next video I will take other topic. So I have homework, students. I have given you the homework, and I have given you 2 questions. That is, what is secularism? You have to just explain what is secularism. And second question is, why it is important to separate religion from state? You have to explain at least 50 words. Thank you, student.